Welcome, and thanks for checking out the InventInsight YouTube channel. I'm Alix Reed, the founder of InventInsite, an online platform that offers affordable and free courses, resources, and guidance for product development and product licensing. If you have an idea for a new or improved product, or maybe you're already in the process of venturing or licensing a product, and are looking for information on best practices to get your product to market, then consider this channel a go-to resource. Innovations is a very exciting space right now, and there's never been a better time to explore your opportunities in it. Unfortunately, it's not quite as clear-cut as it should be, and that's because there's just a lack of information out there on the subject. Now, I've been in the business for over 5 years now, and I've been very fortunate to have worked with many inventors all over the world in all different types of categories and in all different stages of the process. I've also been very fortunate to work with some of the best experts in the industry. I'm really looking forward to sharing the knowledge that I've learned over the years. But one of the most important things that I want to mention is that I want you to know that it's actually not very difficult or expensive for you to explore your options in the invention space. And most importantly, is that anyone can do it. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned inventor or a first-time product developer, because in this industry, it's really not about you and your skill set and your history and your, all the things that you've done in your life. It has to do with your product. It's about your product. So here on this channel, we are all about creating valuable information in the important key steps of the process of product development and licensing and other invention topics. And that is what we share here with the InventInsite community each week. So hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and you'll be on our list to receive the tips, tutorials, and interviews with industry experts that can help you in the invention space and moving your product forward. We have an awesome growing community of entrepreneurs, product developers, inventors, and everyday folks, each on a journey just like yours. If you're just joining us, make sure to introduce yourself and say hello in the comments below. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to meeting you down in the comments.